I've known since I was very young that I wanted to become a doctor. I grew up without many resources and didn't have examples of physicians around me, but I always felt called to medical care. More than 30 years later, that sense of purpose still guides me every day. Hi, I'm Dr. Jose Torres, an orthopedic surgeon at Orlando Health. I specialize in hand and upper extremity surgery, treating conditions such as rotator cuff tears and arthritis. I also perform robotic-assisted knee replacements for patients dealing with chronic knee pain and joint degeneration. Whether the problem involves your shoulder, wrist, hand, or knee, my goal is to help you move more comfortably and confidently. I take time to understand not just what brings you into the office, but who you are beyond your injury. Every treatment plan is personalized, whether that includes surgery, therapy, or other non-surgical options so that it fits your needs and your lifestyle. Being part of Orlando Health means that I can offer you comprehensive resources and coordinated care. As a fluent Spanish speaker, I'm also able to care for patients in their own language because clear communication is essential. I value the trust we build and the partnership we create throughout your care.